ever pondered how to kickstart your journey to financial prosperity in your 20s? Well, today we're going to demystify that process, breaking it down into manageable steps. Buckle up and get ready for a comprehensive guide to building wealth in your 20s. Picture this. You're in your 20s, fresh out of college, starting your first job. It's an exciting time, filled with potential and opportunity. It's also the perfect time to start thinking about your financial future. The first step on this journey is understanding the importance of saving. Remember, every dollar saved today is a step towards a financially secure future. Starting early is key. Imagine saving $100 a month from the age of 25 versus 35. The difference by the time you hit 65 is staggering, thanks to the power of compound interest. Next, let's talk about insurance. It's an essential tool for protecting yourself, your family, and your wealth. Health, car, renters, disability, life, homeowners, pet, and long-term care insurance each have their place in your financial plan. The type of insurance you need depends on your stage of life, so it's vital to regularly review and adjust your coverage as your situation evolves. Now, let's delve a little deeper into life insurance. Not only does it provide a safety net for your loved ones, but certain types of life insurance can also help build wealth. Permanent life insurance policies, for instance, offer a guaranteed death benefit and a cash value that can grow over time, making them a valuable component of a wealth-building strategy. However, it's important not to rely solely on employer-provided life insurance. Take the time to read the terms carefully and consider your personal needs. Consulting with a financial planner or life insurance agent can help you navigate this complex landscape. Lastly, remember that building wealth is not just about saving and insurance. It's also about investing. The potential for higher returns in the stock market can significantly boost your wealth over time. Consider saving in tax-advantaged retirement accounts to maximize your savings. To sum up, building wealth in your 20s involves starting to save early, understanding the importance of insurance, considering life insurance as a wealth-building tool, and investing wisely. It's a process that requires discipline, patience, and a dash of financial savvy. But with these steps in your arsenal, you're well on your way to a prosperous future. Remember, it's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. So start today, because every step you take now will make a difference in the long run. Happy saving, investing, and insuring.